Hello guys, in this lecture we see Gauss theorem of electrostatics. In this case, the intensity of electric field at a point in the electric field produced due to distribution of charge distribution is obtained by using Coulomb's law. But the calculations are very complicated and healthy. Therefore, the calculation becomes simple in case of field. We use Gauss theorem for simple calculation to find out intensity of electric field due to charge distribution. We use, instead of Coulomb's law, Gauss law or Gauss theorem of electrostatics. First we see statement of Gauss theorem of electrostatics. Statement: the Gauss law, Gauss theorem of electrostatics can be stated as the total flux, electric flux, through a closed surface is equal to the ratio of charge enclosed by that surface to the permittivity of the medium in which charges are situated. The Gauss law of theorem is stated as the total electric flux through a closed surface is equal to the ratio of the total charge enclosed by the surface to the permittivity of the medium in which charges are situated. Also, in another way, this theorem also can be stated as that the total electric flux through a closed surface, total electric flux through a closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon 0 is equal to 1 upon epsilon 0 times the total charge enclosed by that surface. Total charge enclosed by that surface, where epsilon 0 is nothing but permittivity of free space or permittivity of that medium. Okay. Now consider a point charge plus Q. Here, first consider a point charge plus Q at a point O. Consider a point charge plus Q at a point O in the surface, situated at point O inside a closed surface of any shape. Consider a point charge plus Q at a point O inside a closed surface of any shape can be shown here. Okay. The electric field or intensity of electric field is along the direction OP. Is along the direction OP. Let P be the point on this surface. Let's consider a point P on this surface and ds be small area of the surface. Ds be the small area of the surface which is on the surface around the point P. Which is on the surface around the point P. Let us consider a point P on the surface and ds be the small area on the surface which is enclosed around the point P. Which is enclosed around the point P. Okay. Then the distance OP equal to R. Like the distance OP equal to R. Then by using Coulomb's law, the electric field E at point P due to point charge Q. Then the electric field E at point P due to point charge plus Q is given by using Coulomb's law, that is E equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Q equal to E equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Here पर बघितलं आहे, that is E is directly proportional to product of चार्जेस इथं आपण एकच चार्ज कन्सिडर केलाय आणि इनव्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिस्टन्स बिटवीन देम. हे डिस्टन्स O पासून किती अंतरावर, P चं अंतर किती आहे, R आहे, दॅट इज R स्क्वेअर आणि 1/4πε0 हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे. दॅट इज E इक्वल टू Q डिवाइडेड बाय 4πε0 R स्क्वेअर. दिस इज सपोज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. ओके. Then the direction of E is along OP and it makes angle theta to the normal. Direction of E is along OP produced, okay, and it makes angle theta to the normal at the surface. Normal at the surface. Like the E can be resolved into two components. That is E cos theta. E cos theta, which is along the normal, and E sin theta, which is another component, which is along direction of E or parallel to E. This cannot be shown here. Only the component E cos theta can be shown. Therefore, we get what? The direction of E is along OP and it makes an angle theta with the outward normal to the surface. E can be resolved into two components. E cos theta normal to the area ds. E cos theta normal to the area ds and E sin theta parallel to E. E sin theta parallel to E. Then the electric flux d phi. Then the electric flux d phi passing through the area ds. Electric flux d phi passing through the area ds is given by the equation. The equation आपण पाठीमागे बघितलेला आहे. हो, एरिया इंटू तो जो कॉम्पोनंट आहे तो कॉम्पोनंट, दॅट इज E cos theta इंटू ds. E cos theta इंटू एरिया किती आहे, ds आहे. Therefore total flux passing through the area ds is given by d phi equal to E cos theta ds. Okay, this is suppose equation second. Then putting the value of E from equation first. E ची value माहित आहे आपल्याला, Q divided by 4πε0 R square. Put out value of E. Therefore we get what? D phi equal to E ची value Q divided by 4πε0 R square and राहिलेली value काय? Cos theta into ds. Okay, this is suppose equation the third. But ds cos theta divided by R square. ds cos theta. ds cos theta divided by R square. ds cos theta divided by R square is a d omega. Is nothing but d omega, which is the solid angle subtended by ds at the point O. This is nothing but d omega is nothing but solid angle subtended by this area ds at O is nothing but d omega. Total angle subtended by area ds at point O I is nothing but d omega, which is the solid angle subtended by ds at the point O. Putting this value in equation third, we get what? D phi equal to Q by 4πε0 राहिलेला हा Q divided by 4πε0 आणि ds cos theta divided by R square is nothing but d omega. Therefore d phi equal to Q d omega divided by 4πε0, which is suppose equation 4. Then the total flux. This is nothing but electric flux passing through the area at ds. We have to find out total flux passing through whole surface. Therefore, total flux passing through the whole area of the surface is obtained by integrating this equation. Therefore, total flux phi equal to integral of d phi equal to integral of Q d omega divided by 4πε0. Total flux through the area of total surface is given by, that is phi equal to integral of d phi equal to integral of Q d omega divided by 4πε0. Okay, Q divided by 4πε0, which is constant, remains integral of d omega. What is the integral of d omega? Integral of d omega is nothing but total angle subtended by ds, and this is always the integral of d omega is always the total angle subtended by ds at any point is equal to 4 pi. Is equal to 4 pi. Therefore, we get pi equal to q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into integral of d omega. Okay? But the total angle subtended by a closed surface at any point is equal to 4 pi. Is equal to 4 pi. The total angle subtended by a closed surface at any point is equal to 4 pi. Therefore, integral of d omega equal to 4 pi. Then we get what? Pi, total flux, electric flux, equal to q into h value 4 pi divided by 4 pi epsilon 0. This 4 pi gets cancelled. We get what? Pi equal to q by epsilon 0. Suppose equation 5, and this is Gauss law. Upon statement bucket like pi is nothing but that is total electric flux. Total electric flux through a closed surface is equal to the ratio of total charge enclosed by that surface to the permittivity of the medium in which charge is situated. The first statement, दूसरा statement काय बघितलं होतं? Total flux through a closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon 0 times 1 upon epsilon 0 times charge enclosed by that surface. Total charge enclosed by that surface. This is nothing but that is Gauss law of electrostatics. आणि काय आहे? Phi equal to q by epsilon 0. If charge q is enclosed in a dielectric medium, well, here epsilon 0 is nothing but permittivity of free space. If you consider medium is dielectric, medium, that is, if charge q is enclosed in a dielectric medium having dielectric constant k, and epsilon is the permittivity of the medium, dielectric medium. K is nothing but dielectric constant, and epsilon is nothing but permittivity of dielectric medium. Then this flux phi in dielectric medium is given by phi equal to q by epsilon. फक्त काय बदलतंय? चार्ज तोच आहे, प्लस क्यू कन्सिडर केला आहे, चार्ज कन्सिडर केलाय, आणि मीडियम बदललंय. मीडियमची परमिटिव्हिटी या ठिकाणी काय कन्सिडर केल्या? एप्सिलॉन कन्सिडर केल्या. देयरफॉर टोटल फ्लक्स फाय इज गिवन बाय क्यू बाय एप्सिलॉन, and dielectric constant K is given by ratio of permittivity of dielectric medium to the permittivity of free space, that is epsilon divided by epsilon 0. If there are number of charges in dielectric medium, if there are number of charges, suppose Q1, Q2, Q3 and so on, within the closed surface in dielectric medium, then the flux, total flux phi is given by तर सगळ्या चार्जेसची काय करायची? बेरीज करायची. समेशन ऑफ क्यू डिवाइडेड बाय एप्सिलॉन. If there are number of charges, then we get arithmetic sum of that charges divided by permittivity of dielectric medium, that is flux is given by total flux is given by phi equal to summation over q divided by epsilon. ओके, या ठिकाणी आपला हा थेरम संपलेला आहे. इथं आपण थांबू, पुढचा पाठ नंतर बघू. ओके, थँक्यू.